Welcome to Medswift channel. My name is Michael. Today we'll be talking about different types of fire extinguishers. There are mainly 4 types of fire extinguishers, but today we'll be discussing about one type called the water type fire extinguisher. Now, water type fire extinguisher is an extinguisher that is best for classes A fires, and for you to be able to identify this type of fire extinguisher, it is color coded by the color called red. This fire extinguisher has different types or different features on its containment. Now, a water extinguisher can be identified by looking at the color code red, and it's written the type water. This extinguisher has its classes it can extinguish labeled on the body of the fire extinguisher. The operation of this fire extinguisher has been written also on the body of this extinguisher. A water type fire extinguisher has also a gauge here to identify if it has pressure or not. A good water type fire extinguisher will have a safety pin, it will have a safety seal, and an intact discharge. It can also be identified by looking at that hollow or rather pin size of the discharge, that is to emit the water at a distance. A good fire extinguisher, which we're talking about today, water type, should also have a sticker showing it's been inspected and it is in a good working condition. In our next session, we'll be discussing about a different type of fire extinguisher called dry chemical powder. Thank you for watching.